This dance is called Double Ding Dong. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross the left over the right, point the right to the side. Add on a jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back, make a quarter turn right as we step that right forward. Make sure you turn your body, there's no twisting in there. Cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Cross, point, off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Step the right to the side. Step the left beside the right. Twist your heels, both of them, to the right, back to centre. Add on a vine to the left. Step the left to the side. Cross the right behind the left. Step the left to the side. Touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more. Side close, twist off on the right. 7, 8. Side close, twist, twist, side behind, side touch. Now the choreographer has said if you wish you can replace that normal vine with a rolling vine. So if you're slightly more advanced and just progress to beginner level, you might want to have a go at putting a rolling vine in. If you're not comfortable with doing a vine in its own right, don't even try doing a rolling vine. If you wish to try one, what you would actually do is you've done your side close, twist, twist, you will then turn quarter left as you step your left forward, half left as you step the back on that right, further quarter turn left as you step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So should you wish to put in a rolling vine, then you can. So you would actually go side, close, twist, twist, turn, 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 touch. Optional, I will continue to do the choreographed steps, just the standard vine with the touch. So let's add that to the top. Cross, point, off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Add on a rocking chair. So you rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Really important that you recover your weight back on that pivot foot, which in this case is the left foot, and your right foot does move from the front to the back when you're doing that rocking chair. Step forward on that right, pivot yourself, quarter of a turn to the left. So I'm just going on my toes, turning, quarter of a turn, weight goes back on that pivot foot, which is my inner foot, in this case the left. And we repeat that. So step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. Let's add that to the top. Cross, point, off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot. Add on another rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover our weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover the weight on the left. Step the right to the right side, step the left to the side. Now I would suggest they're not big steps to the side at this point. So you'll end up with your feet effectively being shoulder width apart at this point. Because you're now going to do some hip bumps. So you're just going to bump your hip to the right, bump your hip to the left. Hip bumps ends the dance. So that set of steps once more then. Rocking chair, into those side steps and the hip bumps. Off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, side, side, bump, bump. End of dance, let's put it all together. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, out, bump, bump. Side, side, bump, bump. So that is your dance. Now the music is a little bit faster than that. So we'll redo the front wall, speed it up just a bit, and we'll keep going around the other 3 walls. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, side, bump, bump, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, side, bump, bump, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, side, bump, bump, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, twist, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, side, bump, bump. So hopefully you managed to follow that around all 4 walls. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, first, twist, side, left, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, side, bump, bump, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, first, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, bump, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, bump, cross point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, twist, side, behind, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, rocking chair, side, bump, cross points. Side pose, rocking chair, cross point, side pose, rocking chair, cross point, side pose, rocking chair. Rocking chair. Side pose. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. Hope you managed that one.